Okay guys, today we're going to be using these paint sticks for the first time.
Yeah, we got them from somewhere, I don't know. But today we're going to be making some doll pancakes.
And what else are we making? You remember?
Doll records.
And then you might be wondering why we have this, but you'll see in a little while. And we're going to use foam board. You can actually use foam board that you used already.
But
it doesn't matter.
If you want to help, you can, but you can't use this because this is very sharp.
Yeah, you're going to need help. So, we're going to make this quick video. You're going to see us do a couple crafts, and I hope you enjoy it.
We'll even make rainbow color order with all of these.
We're going to see how these work. These are supposed to be neater than paint. So, let's give it a try. Say we'll see you later.
Bye. Well, I'll miss you, Skipper. Cold. I'm so cold, I should have brought a coat. Well, I'm gonna miss you too, Tiana. And I wish you would stay, but... Huh? There's only one problem. There's only 2 seats.
Well, that's not a problem. I'll just give my new friend Ruby Glow a call and maybe she could take us in her tour bus. Hurry, Tiana, we're running late to meet with the president.
No!
Oh, hey, Janie, I've been waiting for you so we can study. I'm sorry I'm late. I ran into Shelby and we had a conversation. Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
Why do you give her the jacket?
Oh, the hoodie? I didn't give it to her. I let her wear it. She said she liked it. Thank you. I knew you wouldn't mind. Ready to study?
No, I'm too mad.
Why?
'Cause you gave her the hoodie.
I don't think it's a big deal.
And you
We share
didn't
clothes all the time.
ask.
Okay.
Anymore.
You know what? You're jealous. And so what? Because I've got 4 more sisters.
Well, that's not nice to say.
And it's not nice to be jealous and be mean to your sister either.
Why did they put the books even upside down?
I'm still mad, Janie, and I'm not talking to you again.
I'm still mad at you because you're such mean. Huh. I shouldn't have done that. She's always my sister.
I shouldn't have argued with her. I made her jealous of Shelby, and that was not right.
Well,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, sister. Well, I'll never argue again.
I'm sorry, Janie. I should have never made you jealous of Shelby. Listen, Shelby may be me and Jason's friend, but you'll always be our sister, and you'll always have a special place in our heart. Now, I know I was going to study with Shelby today, but do you want to study with me instead?
Yes.
All right, let's study.
One itty last thing. You can actually keep that hoodie because Shelby stinks in it. He really does stink in it.
Oh. You're so silly.
But it's true. My hoodie smells like her. My hoodie smells like tomato. My hoodie smells like onion. My hoodie smells like tuna fish. Well, I'll just get a new one. Hey, you! What a stinky hoodie! Must be all those boxing words. I heard that!